Reflection Journal. Before we finish this module, take a few quiet minutes to reflect on your experience. Reflection is an important part of training attention because it helps you notice your mind more clearly, instead of moving on without learning from what happened. In your journal, begin with the question, "What surprised me today?" Maybe you were surprised by how often your mind wandered. Maybe you noticed that paying attention for even a short time felt harder than expected. Or perhaps you discovered that your mind becomes calmer when you simply observe your breath. Whatever surprised you is valuable because it shows you are becoming more aware. Next, think about, when did my attention wander? Try to remember specific moments. Did it happen when you felt bored, distracted, restless, or worried? This connects directly to what we have been learning in this module. Attention naturally moves. The goal is not to stop that completely. The goal is to notice it sooner and guide it back. Then ask yourself, what was easiest? Perhaps it was sitting still, noticing the breath, or remembering to pause for a moment. Identifying what felt easier helps you build confidence. It reminds you that even small successes matter. After that, reflect on what was most challenging. Maybe your thoughts were very busy. Maybe you became impatient. Maybe it was difficult not to judge yourself when your attention drifted. This is completely normal. Challenges do not mean you are failing. They show you where your training is beginning. Finally, consider, where could this skill help me this week? This question is especially important because mindfulness is not only something you do during practice. It can help during class, while doing homework, during conversations, in sports, before a test, or when dealing with stress. As you answer, try to connect attention training to real moments in your daily life. This reflection slide helps you turn today's learning into self-understanding. In the next slide, we will take that understanding and turn it into a simple weekly practice challenge. Weekly challenge. Now that you have started to notice how attention works, the next step is practice. This weekly challenge is designed to help you strengthen the skill in small, realistic ways over the next 7 days. First, practice 5 minutes of breath awareness every day. 5 minutes may sound short, but it is long enough to train your mind if you do it consistently. The purpose is not to have a perfectly calm mind. The purpose is to notice the breath, notice when attention wanders, and gently bring it back. That returning is the training. Second, 3 times each day, pause and ask yourself, where is my attention right now? This question helps you bring mindfulness into ordinary life. You can ask it while walking to class, eating lunch, studying, scrolling on your phone, or talking to someone. By checking in with yourself, you begin to see whether your attention is focused, distracted, stuck in the past, or worrying about the future. Third, record 1 moment each day when you noticed your attention wandering and gently brought it back. This step is important because it helps you recognize progress. Often, students think they are bad at mindfulness because their minds wander. But the moment you notice wandering and return, that is success. Writing down even one example each day will help you see that you are building awareness. This challenge connects directly to the reflection you just completed. Reflection helps you understand your attention. Practice helps you strengthen it. Together, they build the foundation for mindfulness in everyday life. As you work through this week, remember that improvement does not come from doing a lot all at once. It comes from repeating small actions regularly. That is exactly what the final slide will remind you. Encouragement. As we close this module, keep this one idea with you. Progress comes from consistency, not perfection. This means you do not need to meditate perfectly. You do not need to stop your thoughts. You do not need to feel calm every time. What matters most is that you continue practicing, even when it feels difficult, messy, or imperfect. Some days your attention may feel steady. On other days, your mind may wander constantly. Both kinds of days are part of learning. Every time you pause, notice, and begin again, you are strengthening an important mental skill. So as you move into the week ahead, be patient with yourself. Use the journal to reflect. Use the challenge to practice. And remember, each small moment of awareness matters. Over time, those small moments add up and create real change. This is how you begin to meet your mind not by controlling it perfectly, but by understanding it, training it, and returning again and again with patience.